Greetings, artists and art enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into an exciting drawing session with my tablet, but don't worry. You can still follow along using traditional techniques. The character that will come to life in our creations is Overview, an intriguing being from the Garten of Banban universe. In this fictional universe, Givanium is an element represented by the symbol GV, essential for creating living beings such as the monsters the player encounters in the games of Garten of Banban. It functions as a kind of artificial blood or substitute for blood circulating in inanimate things. Givanium has an infinite amount of protons and electrons, as seen in its element, and it was used to bring the monsters in Garten of Banban to life. There are two main types of Givanium. Givanium mixture/solution, a mix of genomes with the genomes of other species. However, it is considered dangerous when more than 3 genomes are mixed. The mixture also includes 5 colors of Givanium, as seen in the medical room with Navnalina surgery. Pure Givanium, a pure form of Givanium imported from an unknown place. The types of Givanium mixtures include yellow, red, purple, green, and blue. Although they aren't actually these colors, just different shades of light green, identifiable by a computer and displayed with colors for simplicity. It's important to note that Givanium monsters experience constant pain and suffering, with no possibility of remedy. Givanium is commonly mixed with genomes of other species, and by doing so, the monster acquires traits and patterns similar to the donor. Get ready to explore the wonders of Givanium and breathe life into Overview in our artistic creations. Are you ready for this exciting drawing journey? Thank you to all the loyal followers of Color Fun for being part of this thrilling adventure. Every subscription, like, and comment is like brushstrokes that bring our channel to life. As I always say, this is just the beginning of a journey full of creativity and magic. Until the next video, where we'll explore new and exciting themes on Color Fun.